लीची ड्रिंक, लीची ड्रिंक, लीची का स्वाद हर सिप में ताजा करता फीलिंग। प्राण 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 पियो लीची, चख लो लीची जब भी चाहे दिल। प्राण लीची, प्राण लीची, प्राण लीची ड्रिंक। प्राण लीची ड्रिंक अपनी फीलिंग्स को ताजा करे।
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Honorable President has arrived. She is now interacting with the IDPs, the internally displaced persons. तो give sauce to who where in the function. Salt has
हमारे पास सॉल्ट है गिव मी ट्री
tray मिल गया
हेलो 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 माइक टेस्टिंग हेलो
मंथ एंड यार। हाय दी।
हाय। फिर से नूडल्स? जो लड़का घर में खाने में इतने नखरे करता था और अब ये।
Please rise up, ladies and gentlemen, and extend a graceful welcome to the Honorable President as she graces the dais. I also request you to remain standing for the national anthem. The national anthem. Jai Hind, Namaskar, Kurum Jari. It is indeed a proud privilege and joy beyond description that our dearly beloved and respected President has set foot in the soil of this humble land. With her presence here, the people can hope for ensured peace, harmony, development, and growth, all the blessings that accompany her auspicious arrival. May I now request Honorable Governor Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla ji to present the welcome address.
भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया, members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, distinguished dignitaries, village elders, tribal leaders, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It's my proud privilege to welcome the Honorable President of India to Senapati district, a land of serene hills, pristine landscape, and timeless natural beauty. Nestled amidst the gentle highlands of Manipur, Senapati is home to vibrant Naga tribes whose rich traditions, disciplined way of life, and deep respect of nature form the cultural foundation of this region. With a population of nearly 5 lakh people, the district reflects resilience, harmony, and strong community bonds. At this time of the year, the delicate bloom of cherry blossom trees across the hills lends a distinctive and enchanting charm to the surroundings. Above all, it's the warmth, dignity, and spirit of its people that define the true beauty of Senapati, and it's a great honor for us to receive Honorable President of India in this proud and picturesque place. Senapati and Kankopi districts are home to the only PVTG community Maram of Manipur. The total population is about 45,000, live in about 45 villages and hamlets. A series of programs and schemes have been taken for upliftment of tribal communities, especially Maram tribe, in these two districts. These includes provisions of health facility, including mobile medical units, special roads under PMGSY, piped water supply schemes, construction of hospital and Anganwadi centers, housing facilities. Honorable President's visit today holds deep significance for the people of Manipur, particularly for those residing in the hill areas who look forward to greater engagement, recognition, and support from the highest office of our nation. Madam, your presence here reaffirms the enduring bond between the people of this region and the democratic institutions of our country. The hill districts of Manipur possess rich cultural traditions and immense untapped potential in agriculture, in horticulture, traditional crafts, sports, and ecotourism. The government of Manipur remains fully committed to unlocking this potential through focused development programs, strengthened infrastructure, improved road connectivity, enhanced public services, and sustainable livelihood opportunities designed to meet local aspirations. Equitable and balanced development across both the hill and valley regions continues to be priority of the state government. We firmly believe that true progress must reach every village, every community, and every household. Only through such inclusive growth can we build a Manipur that is resilient, prosperous, and harmonious. Madam, in recent times, our society has experienced periods of strain and division, yet the people of Manipur share a deep-rooted aspiration for unity, peace, and mutual respect. I wish to assure you that the government is working tirelessly to strengthen bonds across communities and districts, fostering trust, dialogue, cooperation, and ensuring that hopes and aspirations of all sections are reflected in our development journey. Presence of Honorable President of India in Senapati today sends a powerful message of solidarity, encouragement, and national support. It strengthens our collective resolve to build a future where development is equitable, opportunities are abundant, and harmony prevails across the state. Once again, I extend my sincere gratitude to the Honorable President of India for visiting Senapati district and for her continued guidance and support. I also convey my warm greetings to all distinguished dignitaries and citizens gathered here today. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. I request the Honorable Governor Manipur to now felicitate the Honorable President of our country, India, with traditional gifts from this land. A painting entitled Happy Alone series. This well-known Senapati artwork honors the strength and spirit of Naga women, painted by Angela Dovey from Chingmai Kuno village, Senapati. Naga traditional necklace. The necklace made of beads worn by Naga women is a significant cultural artifact for the various Naga tribes, serving as symbols of wealth, status, and tribal identity. Manipur, including Senapati, is a land of diversity with varied cultures. We will now listen to the folk songs of the region, which showcases this rich and beautiful culture. We shall now screen a video on the PM Janman initiatives of the district. Kindly focus your eyes on the screen.
मणिपुर का सेनापति जिला राज्य के उच्चतम पर्वतमालाओं से सुशोभित है। मणिपुर की कुछ प्रमुख नदियों का स्रोत इसी जिले से है। हर गुजरते मौसम के साथ इस जिले का नया स्वरूप उभर आता है। अक्टूबर महीने में पूरे जिले में ब्रह्मांड फूल खिलते हुए दिखाई देते हैं। नवंबर महीने के अंत में चेरी ब्लॉसम्स आने वाली सर्दी के मौसम को सूचित करता है। माओ, कुमई, थांगाल, जेलियांगरोंग तथा मराम जनजातियों का घर है ये सुंदर मनमोहक जिला। आज हम मराम जनजाति की कहानी लेकर आए हैं। मराम जनजाति मणिपुर की एकमात्र विशेष रूप से कमजोर जनजाति यानी पीवीजीटी समूह है जो सेनापति जिले में निवासित है। वे अपनी प्राचीन परिदृश्य में अपनी विरासत को संरक्षित कर रहे हैं। मराम जनजाति के लोग पितृसत्तात्मक व्यवस्था का अनुसरण करते हैं, जहां पुत्र अपने पैतृक घर, खेत व जंगल का उत्तराधिकारी होता है। मराम जनजाति के लोग जीवात व ईसाई धर्मावलंबी होते हैं। इनकी सामाजिक जीवन गांव के मुखियाओं, परिषदों एवं रीति रिवाजों के आरक्षण में चलता है, जो चंद्र कैलेंडर या चंद्र पंचांग के साथ चलता है। कृषि इनकी मुख्य जीविका है, जिसमें धान, मकई, आलू और दलहन प्रमुख फसलें हैं। मराम लोगों का कोई मुख्य अभिलेख या लिखित रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता। इनके घर ही इनके जीवित पुस्तकालय है, जिस पर की गई हर एक नक्काशी में इनके मिथकों, विश्वासों एवं प्रथाओं को संरक्षित किया हुआ है। ऋतु दर ऋतु में मराम लोग त्योहारों को मनाकर अपने ही समुदाय को उत्साहित करते हैं।
मराम की मौलिद में तंग सितम कोस की ले ले तजगा नम बने उनको समूह को रेवेन्यू विलेज बने लीना नम कसम में रगसे स्रोंगले अन्य मराम पीवीटीजी तो मराम सब मराम ले मणिपुर दो।
सरकारी पहलों जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय आदिवासी न्याय महाअभियान PM जनमन योजना से मराम जनजाति काफी लाभान्वित हुए।
नहीं, इंजरी नहीं, ये जोड़ी सही नहीं है। ये हुई ना परफेक्ट जोड़ी, जैसे बिरला व्हाइट पुट्टी और ओनली बिरला व्हाइट प्राइमर की जोड़ी। पुट्टी और प्राइमर व्हाइटेस्ट तो दीवारें ब्राइटेस्ट
जा चुका है, साथ ही 50 और पूर्णता की कगार पर है। छात्रावासों का निर्माण कार्य भी मराम प्रजा की एक अन्य मील का पत्थर है। हाल ही में 100 बिस्तरों की क्षमता रखने वाले 2 छात्रावासों का निर्माण कार्य पूर्ण होने जा रहा है, जो लड़कों और लड़कियों के लिए अलग अलग बनवाया गया है। 4 और अधिक छात्रावासों को बनवाया जाएगा। कई अलग अलग मराम गांवों में 10 बहुउद्देश्य केंद्रों यानी MPCs के निर्माण कार्य भी पूर्ण होने जा रहा है। कुल 1941 मराम परिवारों के नाम PMAYG के तहत घर बनवाने के लिए दर्ज किया जा चुका है, जबकि लगभग 21.22 किलोमीटर की सड़क परियोजनाओं से इनकी संपर्क व्यवस्था में वृद्धि आएगी। 5024 परिवारों को आयुष्मान भारत कार्ड प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना PMJAY के अंतर्गत सम्मिलित किया जा चुका है। साथ ही 3763 और नए लाभार्थियों के नाम अपलोड हो चुके हैं। नामांकन कार्य चल रहे हैं। दो वनधन विकास केंद्रों यानी VDVK का निर्माण प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय आदिवासी न्याय महाअभियान PM जनमन के अंतर्गत हो चुका है, जिससे इनके आजीविका के अवसर सुलभ हो गए हैं।
VDVK कंदन तो ये सजी मताई ले ले उलुं खुना नमगी दो ले सगाने ये सजी मताई की दो
राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य अभियान के अंतर्गत 2 मोबाइल चिकित्सा इकाइयों भी जल्द ही जोड़ा जाएगा। 18 बस्तियों को जल शक्ति जल जीवन अभियान यानी JJM के अंतर्गत समाहित किया गया है। 2 अविद्युत बस्तियों करिंगनम और तक्सागलुं को सौरीकरण के लिए पहचाना जा चुका है।
program kengkai saya atak di development ramas zangba tok saya zangba hatwan go tamile
अब मैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती मुर्मू जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे कृपया अपने कर कमलों से बटन दबाकर 7 विकास परियोजनाओं का उद्घाटन और 5 परियोजनाओं का शिलान्यास करें। Please give a big hand. Thank you so much, Honorable President of India. Today, the long-cherished dream of the people of Senapati has become a reality. माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज सेनापति के स्थानीय लोगों का बहुप्रतीक्षित सपना साकार हो गया है। a sincere gratitude to the Honorable President of India for doing this honor with the completion of the laying of foundation stone and inauguration of projects by the Honorable President Shrimati Draupadi Murmu ji. We shall now present a short film on the projects.
Senapati, a land of resilient people, dignified tradition and vibrant community life. As the Honorable President of India, Shrimati Draupadi Murmu visits Senapati, the district welcomes a new era of opportunity, growth and confidence. Education stands strengthened with the inauguration of the Model Residential School in Senapati, constructed under PMJVK at a cost of 25 crore rupees. This modern school will give children from the district access to better learning and brighter futures. To support girl students from remote hill villages, the Honorable President inaugurates the 50-bedded girls' hostel at Liai Khulan High School in Paumata. Senapati's community institutions grow stronger with the new cultural hall cum multi-purpose building of the Senapati District Village Chiefs Association. This space will host cultural, administrative and community initiatives. Healthcare services in the district are being expanded with the inauguration of the new Primary Health Center building at Oina. Public safety receives a boost with the upgraded Pungjoy Police Station, ensuring better law enforcement reach in the region. Connectivity improves with two critical Bailey bridges, a 180 feet bridge over the Iru River at Khamson and a 140 feet bridge over the Ithoi River at Nathan, jointly costing 11 crore rupees. These bridges will ease travel and improve access for remote hill communities. To further strengthen health services in the hills, the Honorable President lays the foundation for the new institutional buildings of CHC Maram and CHC Tadubi, each to be developed at a cost.
I am really motivated to grow my career and prove myself.
अगले हफ्ते जॉब इंटरव्यू है इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करें
Great, you can try. I'm really motivated to grow my career and prove myself.
Grow stronger. Senapati steps forward with hope and confidence towards unity, dignity and progress.
मैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से इस सभा को संबोधित करने का अनुरोध करते हुए विशेष सम्मान प्राप्त करना चाहती हूँ।
Governor of Manipur Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallaji, people's representatives and tribal leaders present here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy to be amongst you at Senapati, the region known for its natural beauty, rich culture, and proud tribal heritage. Today, the nation commemorates the Nupi Lal Memorial Day. Nupi Lal is a prime example of the power of female voice in bringing about positive social change. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur has a rich cultural diversity with large number of tribal communities. I am happy to note that this diversity is also evident in the Senapati district. I am told that this district is home to several tribes. I have attended a reception at Tafunaga village where I was accorded a warm welcome by the representatives of tribal communities of Senapati district. I also interacted with the internally displaced persons. The Moram tribe is recognized as a particularly vulnerable tribal group. It is the only PBTG in Manipur. The unique culture and traditions of Moram tribe contribute significantly to India's tribal diversity. Therefore, this tribal community deserves focused attention, affirmative support, and sustained development efforts. Under PM Janman mission, a series of initiatives have been launched. These are specifically designed in uplift PBTGs through improved access to healthcare, expansion of education, housing support, livelihood promotion, skill development, infrastructure creation in remote habitations. We have just witnessed the transformative work underway in this district under the PM Janman through a short film. I am confident that initiatives being undertaken under this mission will further improve the lives of tribal communities, especially the PBTGs. Ladies and gentlemen, dignity, security and growth opportunities for tribal communities of Manipur and ensuring their greater participation in the country's progress is a national priority. The Government of India is working closely with local leaders, civil society, and communities to ensure that development in the Manipur is inclusive and sustainable. The Government of India is committed to ensure that development reaches every corner of the country. The government is giving special attention to the development of remote tribal regions. In recent years, the hill districts of Manipur have benefited from focused investments in areas such as road and bridge connectivity, including national highways and rural roads, healthcare, education, drinking water, and electricity supply. Livelihood programs such as skill training, SSGs, and Bandhan are improving the quality of life of people. These efforts are a reflection of the government's commitment to supporting tribal communities while respecting their unique identity and traditions. I am happy to have inaugurated various development programs. I am confident that these projects will contribute to strengthening education, security, healthcare, and community infrastructure of the area. I am also happy to have laid the foundation stones for institutional buildings. I hope that on completion, these initiatives will improve lives of thousands of families in the area and bring essential services closer to remote communities. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur's strength.
We are the power generation.
And traditions. The hills and the valley have always complemented each other. Like two sides of the same beautiful land, I urge all communities to continue supporting the efforts for peace, understanding, and reconciliation. The Government of India recognizes the aspirations of the people of Manipur. I understand with total empathy your concern and your desire for a peaceful and prosperous future. I reiterate the Government of India's commitment to the well-being and progress of the people of Manipur, including the people of the region. Let us continue working together for a peaceful and prosperous Manipur. I wish a very prosperous and bright future for the people of Manipur. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Manipur.
Let us all rise up for the national anthem. Thank you so much, everyone. Kwai kibikpo hanna hanna thagachari, kurumjari. Jai Hind.
कुछ पल